You wanna escape Pakistan for studies but don't know where to start? I chose Lithuania, and here's exactly how I did it. So I chose Lithuania because it's affordable, Europe में है, and student life is so manageable here. Not as expensive as UK या Germany, and the admission process was not complicated at all. Now let's talk about the application process. Go to this website. यहाँ से you can search your desired courses and see which universities are offering it, along with details like tuition fees, duration and admission requirements. सब check कर सकते हो. Step 2. Check all the requirements in detail and apply through university's official website. Here's the question. Can you apply to multiple universities? Of course yes. But याद रखो, हर university की separate application fee होती है. Basic documents that you need are previous degrees attested and apostille, passport, motivation letter, recommendation letter, and proof of English language proficiency. It could be IELTS, PTE, and in some cases IELTS or PTE नहीं भी require होता. You just have to attach letter from your former university कि हाँ भाई इसने अंग्रेजी में ही डिग्री की है and he or she has the B2 level of proficiency. But document requirements could vary. कुछ universities कुछ खास टेस्ट भी require करती हैं, so you have to check on their website. After applying, there was an interview and I got my acceptance letter and mediation letter. Then I paid my tuition fee. Tuition fee in Lithuania ranges from 1500 euros to 5000 euros. मेरी 3650 euros थी per year. Then comes the main step. Temporary residence permit. पाकिस्तान में लिथुआनिया की एम्बेसी नहीं है, so you have to go to a third country where you submit your document to VFS, the external service provider. It could be Thailand, Azerbaijan, Malaysia, your choice. The documents you need to submit are copy of all pages of your passport, mediation letter, account maintenance certificate, and minimum 6-month-old bank statement with 7 to 8,000 euros in your bank account. And there must be a branch and branch manager stamp on the first and the last page of the bank statement. 1 साल की health insurance and affidavit notarized for proof of sponsorship. अगर self sponsor हो तो not required. FRC, PCC double legalized or apostille from MOFA, and make sure आपका house number और बाकी का address ठीक से mention हो. And visa fee. बस फिर क्या, within a few days you will get the call for interview and then you have to wait for the TRP pickup mail. Process बहुत easy और simple है, but you need patience. Delays होते हैं, stress होता है. It's chaotic, but trust me, worth it. And that's how I ended up in Lithuania. You can find all the links in description box. If you wanna know any other detail, comment down below, like and follow for more.